This set of headlights that we're going to look at are extremely oxidized. They came off of a 2012 Dodge Charger, which is these are the original lights. They're about 13 years old. You know, the average age of the cars on the road today are about 13 years old. So you'll run across stuff like this. These took a little longer than most restorations with the Ice-9 kit. Normally, you can do a set in 7 to 10 minutes. I spent about 11 and a half minutes on these because they were extremely oxidized. And I did something a little different. I started off sanding these headlights dry with the 1000 grit sponge instead of starting off wet to get off that really heavy oxidation. Then I cleaned it with the liquid sandpaper. Then I hit it wet with the 2000 grit and wet with the 3000 grit. And they came out really good. In fact, the lady that this car belonged to was getting ready to buy a new set of lights. And a new set of lights on this car are a new set of OEM lights are $646. By the way, if you ever replace headlights, you've got to get OEM headlights. Why? Because the cheap headlights you buy on Amazon last about 12 months and they are warranted for, guess what, 12 months. And that's when they go bad. An OEM set of headlights will last you 10, 12, 13 years. So, but they are expensive, you know, but it doesn't make sense to buy cheap headlights. So in this case, she was looking at a $646 pair of headlights, which nobody likes to spend that kind of money on headlights, versus a $65 headlight restoration. So, like I said, excuse me, I sanded the light dry with a 1000 grit sanding sponge to get that heavy oxidation out. Then I cleaned it. Then I sanded it wet with the 2000 grit and wet with the 3000 grit. Dried it and then coated it. And they came out beautiful. They came out really beautiful. You know, the Ice-9 kit's not designed to do every single light that you come across. There's going to be stuff that you have to pass over on. There's going to be stuff that has to be replaced and can't be restored no matter what. And there's going to be some stuff that can only be restored by, you know, the headlight professional down the road with a rotary polisher. But you're going to spend an hour and a half to 2 hours restoring a set of lights like this. I mean, if a professional headlight guy would have done these lights, he would have spent an hour and a half on them, and probably would have charged $200 or $300. But I wanted to show this just to show, you know, the extreme lengths that the Ice-9 kit can go to, and as you'll see in a few minutes, these lights came out really good, really good. Even though they took me a little longer than most, you know. Most headlights with the Ice-9 kit you can do in 7 to 10 minutes, the entire set. This set took me close to 12 minutes, you know, a little bit longer. But still, in spite of that time, it can still easily be done in a quick lube setting or a tire in a brake shop very quickly. That's the thing about headlight restoration. There's a dilemma that quick lube shops face and tire and brake shops face. The dilemma is headlight restorations can be extremely profitable if they can be done quickly. But until now, there's never been a truly quick way to do headlights. People have tried to put together a quick kit, and there are some kits out there you can get good results with, no doubt, but it's very time and labor intensive. And so a lot of these shops have quit doing headlight restorations altogether, and understandably so. But in the process, they're missing out on thousands and thousands of dollars a month in potential revenue. You know, if you do 2 of these restorations a day, charging $65 a set, you would make about $34,000 a year in additional revenue, working about 20 minutes a day. If you could manage to average 3 sets of these per day, you would make about $50,000 a year minimum. charging $65 a set. Now, if you've got multiple locations, you know, the income revenue potential is astounding. But, you know, here you go. This is the Ice-9 kit. It's the fastest, easiest, and it's the most profitable way to restore headlights. And when I say easy, I mean anybody can use this kit. You don't have to have a mechanic to do this. In fact, a lot of the smaller shops that I sell to, the person that winds up being the headlight restoration expert is the owner's wife or the secretary. She winds up doing the headlights. So you don't have to pull a mechanic off of a job to let him restore headlights. You don't have to have a guy that has a lot of experience. I mean, literally anyone with no experience whatsoever could do this. Just read the instructions and do it. It's just that simple. And here we are wiping on the liquid titanium UV glaze, bringing them back to life. And this headlight restoration is designed to last about a year. You know, there is no headlight restoration that will last forever. These are designed to last about a year, which makes it a yearly maintenance product. You know, if your customer still has their car after a year, redo them. A lot of people will have sold their cars within a year, traded them in, or wrecked them. But most people don't want to spend $600 on a set of headlights. They'd rather spend $65 and get this result right here. Makes people very happy. So there you have it. An extremely oxidized set of lights that came out beautiful in about 11 minutes.